Hello, welcome to Park Maths, and in this video I am going to solve this system of linear equations in three variable. Before this we have learned and watched different videos on system of linear equations having two variable. But in this video we will be learn about this system of linear equations in three variable. So let's start the video. To solve this system of linear equations, first of all, we will rewrite this system of linear equations in the solution again, and then we will try to solve it. So the question is x multiply y plus z is equal to 20, 20, and the second linear equation is x plus y z is equal to 20, 21. So to solve this system of linear equation, let's say this may be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. No. And next we will subtract this equation number 1 from equation number 2. So it will become implies, first we will write equation number 2, x plus yz minus parenthesis xy plus z is equal to 20, 21 minus 20, 20. Now in the next step we will multiply this negative sign in the parenthesis, so it will become implies x plus yz minus xy minus times positive is negative minus z is equal to 2021 minus 2020 is gives him 1. In next step we will shift this term to the right hand side and this term to the left hand side to take x common from these two terms and z from these two terms. So it will become implies x minus xy plus yz minus z is equal to 1. Now let's take x common from these two terms and z common from these two terms. So it will become implies taking is common, so here 1 will be left and here y will left, plus let's take common z from these two terms, so it will become plus z, here y minus 1 is equal to 1. Now my dears, as we are looking there, 1 minus y and y minus 1 are the same terms, like terms, just there is a difference of the negative sign. So we will take minus 1 common from this term, so it will become implies x 1 minus y plus, so we will take minus 1 common from this, so it will become minus 1 z, so this term will become negative and this term will become positive, equal to 1. Now by multiplying this minus 1 back with this result, it gives him this one. Minus 1 multiply minus y gives him plus y, and minus 1 multiply plus 1 gives him minus 1 back. No. In next step it will become x into 1 minus y plus minus gives him minus, so it will become minus z 1 minus y is equal to 1. Let's take 1 minus y is common from these two terms, so it will become implies one minus y, here is x minus z is equal to 1. So we factorize this left hand side to two factors, 1 minus y and x minus z, and on the right hand side there is 1. So there are two possible cases to solve this equation. The first case is we can multiply 1 with 1 to get this one, and the second case is when we multiply -1 with a -1 to get this one. So we will solve this equation for both these values. So let's try. Case 1, it will become 1 minus y is equal to plus 1 and x minus z is equal to plus 1. And case number 2 is (1 minus y is equal to minus 1 and x minus z is equal to minus 1. So first of all, we will solve this case to find the values of x, y and z. So first we will solve this one. 1 minus y is equal to 1. So it will become minus y is equal to 1 minus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled with each other, and the result will become minus y is equal to 0. So, or which can also be written as multiply minus 1 with both sides, we will get y is equal to 0. So the value of y is equal to 0. Now to find the value of x and z, we will put the value of y in equation number 1 and equation number 2. So first we will write these two equations below, and we will put the value of y in these equations. So the equation number first is x y plus z is equal to 20 20. So by putting the value of y is equal to 0, this term will become 0. So only z will be left, and the value of z will be 20 20. Now to find the value of x, we will put the value of y is equal to 0 in this equation number 2. So first we will write equation number 2, that is x plus yz is equal to 20 21. So when we put the value of y as 0, so this term will become 0. So only x will be left, and the value of x will be 20 21. So finally x is equal to 20 21, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 20 20 is the first solution of the given system of linear equations in 3 variables. Now come to case number 2. In case number 2, we will simplify this for the value of y. So it will become 1 minus y is equal to minus 1. So it will become minus y is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, and minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 2. So we will multiply both sides with minus 1. So it will become y is equal to plus 2. So the value of y is 2. Now we will put this value of y in these two equations to find the value of x and z. So first we will write these two equations, and then we will put the value of y. So these two equations are x y plus z is equal to 20 20, and the second equation is x plus yz is equal to 20 21. So by putting the value of y is equal to 2, these two equations will become 2x plus z is equal to 20 20 20, and the second equation x plus 2z is equal to 20 21. Now to solve these two equations for one variable, we will make the coefficient of z the same. So we will multiply this first equation by the number 2. So by multiplying this equation with 2, it will become 4x plus 2z is equal to 40, and we will write this equation as the same, x plus 2z is equal to 20, 21. Let's subtract these two equations, so we will change the sign, and these two terms will be cancelled with each other, and 4x minus x gives him 3x is equal to, by subtracting 10 minus 1 gives him 9, and 3 minus 2 gives him 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So by subtracting 20, 21 from 40 gives him 20, 19. So we will divide both sides by 3 to get the value of x. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled with each other, and here 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 6 is 18, 2 will become here, so it will become 21, 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the value of x is 673. So we get the values of x and y. Now, to find the value of z, we will put the value of x in this equation. First we will write this equation, that is x minus z is equal to minus 1. So the value of x is 673 minus z is equal to minus 1. So it will become minus z is equal to minus 1 into minus 673. So it will become further minus z, and it will become minus 674. We will multiply both sides with a negative sign, so it will become z is equal to 674, which is the required value of z. So finally we get x is equal to 673, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 674, and this is the second possible solution of this system of linear equations and this viral Olympiad math questions. And in last, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for the solution of viral math problems and for the solution of Olympiad math questions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video.